Hello, this is Brandy Brayman, and I work for Dart Container Corporation, and I chose to job shadow the training and quality manager, and his name is Lee Gardner. Dart Container Corporation is a global company that sets the industry standard of excellence in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of innovative food service packaging solutions. Dart manufactures cups, plates, containers, and lids. They started out as a small machine shop in Mason, Michigan, and have expanded across the globe to include more than 35 locations in 4 countries. Dart employs approximately over 15,000 employees worldwide. There are many different departments within Dart Container Corporation, and customer service is located on the second floor of our building, and we work with many other different departments. Dart sets the industry standard of excellence by safely and efficiently providing high-quality food and beverage packaging solutions and exceptionally reliable service to each of our customers. Lee is the training and quality manager, and I chose him to job shadow and was able to meet with him via Microsoft Teams due to the COVID pandemic, and we are working currently from home. I've been interested in his department since I started working for Dart, and Lee knows that I would like to have an opportunity to work for him if the position ever comes available. Lee has been in management for 5 years and became the training and quality manager over 2 years ago. Steve and Jennifer both report to Lee. Jennifer is our CSR trainer, and Steve is the assistant who reviews orders, emails, and phone calls by each of the customer service representatives. Each week, Steve will pull random orders, emails, and phone calls and grade them based on Dart's standard policy. Each CSR can review the information reported within our CRM program, Salesforce, and our supervisors will go over our grades once a month to give us feedback on whether we're doing well and what areas we can improve. Lee is a functional manager, which is responsible for supervising a particular function. That is a task, activity, or operation such as accounting, marketing, research and development, information technologies, or logistics. Lee reports to our operation manager, Val Renfro, who reports to our director of administrative sales, Tracy Ritter. And she reports to our vice president of administrative sales, Courtney Cook. They are all higher management who work together within our customer service department. Lee creates reports of topics to discuss on ways to improve our department's efficiencies. There are several ideas Lee is working towards our 2021 goals and objectives to better improve the communication between our two departments. Some highlights that I witnessed on our interview job shadow. Our SWOT analysis, our strengths, we're global, we produce high quality products, professionally managed supply chain, and excellent customer service. Weaknesses are our high operating costs, which create high costs in products, and there is a competitive market for what we do. Opportunities, diversified product mix, opportunities for mergers and acquisitions. In 2012, Dart acquired Dart Solo Cup, and that expanded their company, which doubled in size. The threats are the growing competition from other companies producing the same products at cheaper prices. COVID-19 pandemic caused product shortages due to high demands, and businesses lost from the pandemic caused many businesses to close their doors. Experiences and making suggestions to overcome hurdles for a balance between employees and training is one of the things that Lee works on. He communicates with operations manager, who is the front line for all decisions. Val makes all the decisions in our department. And he finds the best solutions for communication issues. Lee did mention to me in our interview that letting the work speak for itself and allowing employees' success and his success on what he's trained and taught be part of his success. He said that was an issue that he was learning to overcome and get better with. Internal communications of mission. Lee communicates the mission through his training sessions and through customer responsiveness. CSRs are graded on their performance of processing orders, responding to emails, and taking phone calls. Work is implemented in a CRM program, Salesforce, to help CSRs work more effectively and efficiently. And he puts the CSR training together so we are prepared when the program went live. We had many times where we were together and did training and went over the system and how we would use it and utilize it once it went live. The use of technology. Technology creates ways to improve products, processes, and services. Supports business strategy effectively, making continuous changes to goals and objectives. The COVID-19 has changed DART's strategic plan tremendously and continues to change. DART is a typical functional structure, and below is the flow chart of the structure. We have the CEO, Jim Lammers, at the top, and then his executive staff that he meets with. We have a research and development department, human resources department, accounts payable and receivable department, administrative sales, which is all of us in customer service, and then operations, which is the plants and the line, the workers. Top challenges. COVID-19 pandemic has a huge impact on many businesses. Working from home during the pandemic has been challenging. DART has made the decision to let employees go throughout the last year due to the pandemic, and the competitive market causes loss of business. Management concepts. Business is treated like a series of relationships. All DART departments rely on one another, so communication is important. Customer satisfaction is the most important goal. Managers do not control employee behavior. Success is important to everyone. There's low turnover and high productivity, and there is a mutual respect between employees and managers. My reflections of what I took away and the challenges that I faced writing this paper and doing this presentation, and throughout my career with Cornerstone. I have learned about how I am a leader in every aspect of my life. I am capable of more than I give myself credit for, and I chose Lee to job shadow because I respect what he does and how he does it. I'm organized and I have a good work ethic, and my past supervisors have recognized this as well. I'm learning to be more confident in myself. I have learned to let the things I cannot control go more easily, and that has something I've always struggled with. I have learned to embrace change with a positive attitude, and I'm eager to learn and help others. I started my journey with Cornerstone University September of 2016, and I graduated with my associates in May of 2019. When I found that my bachelor's would just only be about a year and a half away and would start that July, I decided to go and continue through and be completed by February 2021. I am glad that I did, and I still cannot believe that I am just over a week away from completing it. I am glad that I made the decision to go back, and it was something I had thought about for a very long time, but scared, so I kept putting it off. It has gone pretty fast when I look back, but excited to be done and see what the future holds for me. I'm thankful for my family because if it were not for their support, I would not have finished. I have had difficult times, which have made me rethink my decision, but I never gave up. There were many courses that I have learned from and enjoyed. I have met some great people and professors. I am not sure what the future holds or what God's plan is, but I know that getting this degree is something that no one can take from me. I have started looking within DART to see if any job opportunities are worth applying for. I know that no matter whether I find something within DART or another company, it will happen when it's meant to be. Thank you for your time, and I really appreciate it working with you, and I hope you all have a great day.